Hey guys, it's Matthew from the Key Republic, and I'm here with a new C# video. Primarily why we're recording and putting up a video as soon as possible is to make up from the last time. I'm sorry about that. We've already apologized, but it's just I feel bad, and I hope it doesn't affect our views. Anyways, today we have a C# video. No. Matthew's doing something different. Actually, it's not. So today we're doing if sentences. So we're gonna open up a new project, console application. We're gonna call it if, and there we go. So while it's loading, I'm gonna explain an if sentence. An if sentence is pretty much a sentence that depends on an input or a certain variable, because if that certain variable is equal to something, then it will do the code that's inside it. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do this. We're gonna create a string. So string var equals console dot readline. I know we're starting off a little different, but that's what we gotta do today. So console dot readline. Yes, we're not putting out a write line yet. So pretty much right now, what we're one of the codes that does is it pretty much gets a variable, and so when I hit enter, var is gonna become immediately high, and then the console's gonna read for another line again. But I'm not gonna play anything, so let's let it close. So now here's how you implement an if sentence. If we're gonna put var equal, so it's two equal signs, and then quotations, password, oh whoops, then you open it up. So if var equals the word password, and then we open it up with curly brackets so we know what code's going to be executed. So the code that's going to be executed is inside the curly brackets. So if it is actually equal to that, I'm going to write a line saying welcome to the in the description, in the comment section, guess the game, and that's gonna be pretty fun to see who gets it. Oops. So let's continue. So pretty much what I'm saying is, if var, which is this, equals password, console write this line, welcome to the Black Mesa facility, and then console read the line. It's going to execute the code outside of it after this is finished. And pretty much we're going to actually, let's just run it. So I hit F5. I never taught you that. Sorry, if you hit F5, it actually debugs. So what we're going to do is we have the code here. So we're going to type in, oh sorry, that was my phone, password, and welcome to the Black Mesa facility. And why that works is because right after I put in this line of code here, once this was executed, var instantly became password. And then this line here checked if it was password. And since it was password, it instantly went to this line, welcome to the Black Mesa facility. And then it does this. So if you want more than one if sentence, you're going to type this, else if, and then we're just going to type in var equals equals, and then we're going to type in ABC 1 2 3. So this is good for like multi-users if you ever create an OS or something. So if we put this one, sorry, phone again, Mr. Freeman. Now you guys should definitely get that game, get the reference. Let me just turn down my phone. Okay, there we go. So here we go. I'm just gonna copy and paste that, and I'm just gonna change this to admin. Okay, so what's gonna do is when we run the code, what's gonna happen is vars is gonna be executed. So I'm gonna put in ABC 1 2 3, and what happens is it's gonna go to this first one and it's gonna say I'm not equal to password, so it's gonna completely skip this. And then what's gonna happen is it's gonna go to the next one, the other if sentence, ABC 1 2 3, and it is equal to that, so it's gonna run this code. Got it? So there we go, and we're just gonna and hit enter. There's one more thing. If it doesn't equal either of them, we're gonna type this, else, and then just hit enter and open up brackets, because it's not a statement. It's pretty much saying if it's not equal to either of these or any other ones you add on, because you can add on as many as you want, is as long as you have if, then else if, and then we can have else if, else if, else if. But if it's equal to none of them, it's gonna go to this code. It's gonna say, okay, what am I gonna do if it equals none of these? And we're gonna put in security is on their way. Boom, get out. So we're gonna run it really quick, and we're gonna type in the password is JKL456. That's not right. Security's on their way. Oh no, close the program. Okay, don't mess up your code when playing around. So after that, you can see that this all works. But var does not actually have to be just a string. If I actually went int var equals convert dot to int 32 and typed in console read line and then the parentheses, we just need to change this from looking for strings to numbers 1 2 3. This one should be 4 5 6, and there we go. So if you look, it works again. So 1 2 3, it's missed. Oh, I doubled the 1, sorry. But you see it works because it wasn't equal to any of these. It went straight to this one. So that was if sentence. Yes, that was the if sentence that you should have been worrying about. But don't really worry. I know it's sort of a long tutorial, but that's it. It's really easy to get after a while. Just practice your code, not for just if sentences, but for everything really. And that's it. Thank you. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope you like the new intros. Paul has his, which is the one that's not 3D, the loser one. I'm kidding. But I have mine, and it's being implemented into this video, brand new. Tell me what you think. It sort of fits my personality because I actually like metal music, so sorry, weird. Yeah, I know. Thanks for watching. I'm Matthew from the Key Republic, signing out.